Thank you for watching the Madeira Network's help videos, where knowledge is key. This video will show you how to download the WatchGuard SSL VPN client and configure a remote desktop icon on any workstation. This video assumes you have administrative access to your device. The first thing you need to do is go to the WatchGuard website at watchguard.com. Click on the Support button at the top, then click on the Download Software button. Click the drop-down arrow in the Show Downloads for box, and you can select any item in this list. I always select T35, but you can click on anything in here. Scroll down until you see WatchGuard Mobile VPN with SSL software, and click on the link for Mobile VPN with SSL 12.7 for Windows. The download will begin and should show up in the bottom left of the browser window. Once complete, click the downloaded file to begin installing the VPN client. Click Yes to run the executable file and begin the installation. Leave all the settings default throughout the installation, clicking the Next button until you get to the screen where you select Create a desktop icon, then click Next, and you will see an installation screen. Click the Install button to install device software for the TAP Windows Network adapter. Then click Finish to complete the installation. Click on the newly installed desktop icon and open it up so that it stays in the system tray, otherwise it won't appear there after rebooting the system. Click the up arrow in the bottom right of the taskbar to show the hidden icons in the system tray. Right-click the gray icon that looks like a magnifying glass with a W inside and select Connect. In the server field, enter the IP address or host name of your VPN client. Then in the username and password field, enter your normal username and password that you use to log into the server. This information can be obtained by calling the Madeira Help Desk at 877-562-3347. The first time you connect to the VPN from a machine, you will see this security alert. Make sure you click Yes on the left side to continue connecting. You will only need to do this one time per machine. Once it is connected, you will see this message in the bottom right corner of the screen that says Connected. Another way to check whether it is connected or not is to see if the color of the W in the icon has changed to green. The next portion of the video will show you how to create a remote desktop icon to access the server remotely. Click on the Start button in the bottom left-hand corner, then begin typing Remote Desktop Connection. Click on the icon for Remote Desktop Connection. Click the Show Options button at the bottom left, then in the computer field type the name of the server that you want to connect to, or its IP address. If you can't find this information, feel free to call the Madeira Help Desk at 877-562-3347. In the username field, type the username that you use to log into your network. Click the Save As button, then click Desktop on the left and change the file name to the name of the server you are connecting to, or a friendly name of your choice. This will place the icon on your desktop that you can double-click to connect to the server. Thank you for watching the Madeira Network's help videos, where knowledge is key. We hope you found this video educational and easy to follow. Feel free to give us a call if you have any further questions. We'd be more than happy to assist you. Have a great rest of your day.